Hi everyone, this is Negosyo Daddy. This video is for the Daily Detox affiliate partners. But since this video is public, if you're interested, then go ahead and watch this. Now, I'm here to explain how the Daily Detox's affiliate marketing program works. Step 1. Sign up with us. The link is in the description box below if you're watching on YouTube. If you're on the Daily Detox website, just click the Register Now button below. It is required for you to have a GCash or PayMaya account because that is where we will transfer your payouts or cash. Step 2. Upon approval, you will get your personal shop link or affiliate marketing link, QR code, and your discount code. So what is the link for? For example, someone clicks on the link or scans the QR code, they will be redirected to the site with your discount code already. The customers can also use your discount code upon checkout. Once the customer successfully checks out and pays for the product, you are entitled to get your commissions. Step 3. Go to your dashboard, download high-resolution photos from the Marketing Resources tab. Step 4. Post on social media, other groups, other circles using the link and the photos. Step 5. Sit back and relax because we will be handling all the orders and fulfillment or delivery to the customers. Step 6. Join our Facebook group. It's called the Daily Detox Partners for other announcements. So how do you sell more? Here are my tips. Number 1, go to Marketing Resources and look for sellable products or products that you have already tried and want to promote. Tip 2, use the high-resolution photos to upload in your accounts. So don't upload blurry or pixelated photos. Number 3, best if you have actually tried the products and you have your own personal photos so that when customers see your post, it will look and feel organic. And this is the best form of word-of-mouth marketing. Number 4, post in other Facebook groups and other marketplaces, in your circles, etc. Number 5, target customers in Metro Manila, Pampanga, and Olongapo for our detox kits. Why? Because the delivery of our detox kits are limited to our branches' locations. Number 6, for the organic sprays, we can ship nationwide. So, why is there no initial charge? Number 1, we want to help you out. We want you to earn money easily and conveniently. Number 2, with your help, you are helping us out as well. With your efforts, you will be allowing us to sell more products to our loyal customers. So, how much will you earn? As our affiliate partner, you get 5% of commissions per total order of the customer. And we will send the cash to you via PayMaya or GCash. As for the customer, he gets 10% discount when he orders using your link. We actually offer a similar program but with a fee. So if you want to earn more commissions of at least 20% per order, what we can offer you is our online franchising program, which is priced at 15,888 pesos. We also offer traditional franchising as well as distributorship. So that's it, guys. That's how the affiliate marketing program works. Easy and convenient, diba? Sign up now. It's free. No cash out, no catch whatsoever. This is a partnership, so we are helping you out, but more importantly, you are helping us out as well. This way, we can disseminate the products to our customers and other prospect customers. Now, if you are one of our customers and you might want to promote our products, then feel free to apply for our affiliate marketing program. So again, it's a win-win-win situation for all of us. Now, like and subscribe to this channel on YouTube for more business-related tips. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos like this.